Hi folks, wanted to add a video. I'm going to be making some changes to the bus. I'm going to be adding washer dryer. The Tuscany itself was already prepared to have such a thing. There's all kinds of hardware that I had to remove to get this far, and I'll show you that in a minute. But I'm going to wind up putting washer and dryer in my closet space here. I'm going to have to replace the doors, and we'll probably have to do, because of what's there, I'm not going to do a combo washer dryer. I'm actually going to do a small dryer and then a front load washer. But I wanted to document it along the way. Hi folks, update on my washer and dryer closet. What I did is I bought a set of bifold doors and a couple of cans of spray paint, and I readily admit it's not a perfect match for my cherry paneling, but it will do the trick, and it looks fine in here, and I'm very comfortable with the results. I'm going to open it up and take a little video of from the inside and let you see what I did to create the space. And I'm now just waiting on my dryer, which will then lead to what I do for the washer. So I reused as much of the hardware as I could, the existing hardware. Took advantage of all the pieces parts. I used the center bracket for closure, using those eyes there. I just bought a couple of hinges, wherever the other one is, it's down there somewhere. There it is. And then you can see the washer that setup that's in there already. I'm leaving the top row here. I don't know, the exact dimensioning should be somewhere in the 22 and change range, along with the depth, but I'm not sure about it, so I'm leaving that kind of chair rail there just in case I can take advantage of it as a bracketing component. And we'll see when the dryer arrives. I'm going to put that on top, and then what I'm going to have is the washer below on a slide out and then slide back in. I'm going to get one of the small apartment size washers and do it that way. The dryer fits very nice and neat. It's going to be in the top, and then down below what we'll have is the washer, and it will be on a pull-out tray. The tray will have two brackets that will pull out and in, and you pull out, you load the laundry, do your wash, and plop it in the dryer. And one of the things I've done is I have the exhaust set up on a fan-out pipe. And what I'm going to do is come out of the gap above, for the moment, through the gap above, and port it out the window when doing drying. All for now. So I have the dryer in, and I'm ready to tackle the washer. My washer showed up. There are my brackets. They're not solid down yet. I want to make sure and get what dimension would have to be to get them over the front lip of the kind of closet itself. I've cut my base plate, and we'll be putting the washer itself, screwing this right onto the base plate, possibly, we'll see. What I may do is I may do a trim piece around the washer so that it doesn't move, versus actually screwing it down to the base plate. But that's where we are for the moment. The sliding tray, whatever you'd like to call it, base for the washing machine is in. There was much swearing and realization of poor choice in undercarriage, but frankly, it works. And I believe will be a good platform for the washing machine. I'm going to go get it, and we'll see what happens. So here we go, folks. This is washer dryer, the working man's model, the working woman's model, anything you would like. So $250 for the dryer, $200 for the washer. Now, I haven't tried it yet. It may be total crap. I'm not sure. We're going to see. And look at that sticker. Boy, Federal Trade Commission, love you guys. Good to know that that you're on the case for us. But man, pick some better glue. Anyway, so washer is in. That's top load, as you can see. But this is where all of my construction comes into play. I don't have it all finished out yet. There's going to be a handle, and then there are going to be just quick little side runners. But now the washer is out. Lid goes up. Laundry goes in. The whole thing goes back. It's actually soft caster. And it closes up. So there you go, folks. Washer, dryer, frugal fashion. All for now. Okay, folks. Just a quick review of results. What you see here is a load of laundry I've just done. And I had room for what would probably have been the equivalent of an additional pillowcase and a t-shirt, or another sweater and several more pairs of socks. I don't know about another pair of jeans, but this was done in the standard wash cycle in the machine that I've got of 66 minutes. Takes 5 gallons, and then it would be one more. I did the full water load, and then put into the dryer for 2 hours on the dry cycle, and these things are crispy dry. So I am very, very pleased with the results. So a bit of a conclusion video for my washer dryer experiment. I'm thrilled. Everything works the way it's supposed to. So far anyway, so good. It's one way to save a little money. It certainly takes a little effort, but you don't have to spend $1,800, $1,900 on a washer dryer, and you can get what would be very, very similar results. I was pleased with how my porting exercise on getting the exhaust out the window turned out beautifully, and it disappears right into the cabinet when I'm not using it. So again, it's definitely the money-saving version, but if you have the hookups or can install the hookups, it would be one way to accomplish that washer-dryer thing if you don't want to spend big time money in doing so. I hope you all enjoyed. It was a little bit long as a video, but maybe there was something to learn in there or something to inspire you to do something on your own. All for now.